We're gonna make a quick stop here at the Nismo factory and museum, which is pretty close to the Mazda headquarters. They got most of their lineup right out here. We got the El Grande, Highway Star, the X-Trail, the Juke, and the Nismo Note. It's missing the 370Z and the Nissan Nismo GTR. So let's go inside, take a quick look. We'll be in and out of here in like a couple minutes, but we might as well show you guys and stop. Here it is, guys, in all its glory. Got all their memorabilia, their awards, accolades, the race cars, all lined up here with their current Nismo lineup. Entrance is free here. We're gonna quickly make our way around this place and give you a quick tour. Got the GTR logo made out of, guess what? GTRs. Here's the Nismo Serena van with bucket seats. Check this out. Apparently, according to Ken Saito, everything is cosmetic. And we got the Nismo badging right down there. And check this out right here, baby. Boom. Bucket seats. Here it is, guys. In the motherland, we got the forbidden fruit, the GTRs. We got the 32, 33, and the 34s all lined up. So beyond these glass panels, you got these customer cars that are being currently worked on. We got a pretty rare GTR R34 Z-Tune right here, guys. According to Ken Saito, this thing is really, really expensive. Got a whole lineup of Skylines here, but yeah, you want to bring your car here, get it worked on, upgraded, maintained, all that fun stuff, you just come to the Nismo factory here. Engine N1 type, genuine Nissan parts, 1.2 million yen. There you guys have it. Quick stop at the Nismo factory and the museum. We got their whole lineup here, and we got the beautiful Mazda CX-8 right-hand drive. Check this out. We're right next to the highway, so it's a little bit loud, but thanks to Ken Saito for always hooking up with the press cars. We got this for, I think, the weekend, so stay tuned for that, guys. We got a couple surprises coming up. Holy shit. Wow. And there it is, GT3 RS right there. Oh, funky diddly doodly-doo. Pit stop number 2. We're currently here at Shinoda Automobile. We got a beautiful low mileage black LFA. I could definitely see myself rolling in one of these cars. Unfortunately, I think this has been reserved, and it is right-hand drive as well. My goodness, these LFAs, dude. Slant nose Porsche. That's right, guys. I know my Porsches. Well, not really. Zagato right here. We saw one of these at the Zagato Museum in Italy, in white, I believe, at the very end. So make sure to check that video out. But yeah, we got a pretty eclectic set of cars here. We got a blue 355. Whoa. GT3 RS in white. Challenge Stradale, the Corns edition, and a white 599. This is some straight up Max Showstag Ziska shit here, guys. Got a white GT2, and we got this old school Nissan Skyline GTR. Check out the fenders. And look at this, we got a Jeep. This one's 1.6 million yen, guys. By popular demand, the food log is back. We're in Shibuya. I got the, did I even pronounce it? Like the king is not here, Chris Moore said. Get the shot. Have the tuna special. We just got served the miso soup. And that's all you're gonna get.
He's holding up the bus. Watch this honor.
Alright guys, I got the camcorder out. This is very important. We're at the, I called the, was it 143 scale or 164? 164 scale model car roulette. It costs 800 yen. Alright, you get a little canister. You're gonna have to open the, can you see what it is or no?
Yeah, I can.
Alright, what is it?
It's Daytona, I think.
Oh, okay.
Nice, black and gold.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, you want to put the top right one, yeah. Oh. Okay, here we go.
Oh, I got a 456 GT. Oh, God.
Alright, here we go. It's my turn. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got here? So I got a 550 Barchetta.
Uh-oh. He looks happy.
Oh, hold on.
599.
Oh, that's not bad. Chris originally got a 456 GT. Max got a Daytona. Ooh, well, 599 GT.
Yeah. Go again, Gordon.
I kind of want to go again.
Go again.
Okay, yeah, fuck it, dude. Yeah. All right, guys, here we go. One more. Much luck, bro. Much luck.
There, it's fixed.
Oi.
Oh, wait, I did.
Oh, is it out?
It's out.
Oh,
Push the train one, Ken.
All right, what are these called? Like, they're just like little vending machines you put like coins into. You capsules, yeah. So I'm gonna go for the. I really want the green banana right here. So we're gonna put in what, 200 yen? Oh, here we go, guys. We want the green banana.
Wait,
It's in here.
we didn't do the right one, you fucking idiot.
Guys, we fucked up. We put in this machine. All right, hold on. Here we go. All right. Jesus Christ, we're idiots. All right, you got to twist it. Now we're rolling. Here we go. Moment of truth. What do we got?
Well,
Hey, that's pretty cute, though. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're currently waiting outside of Bingo Motorsports, and there it is right over there. But Dr. K, who owns the Koenigsegg RSR, he's got a Pagani Huayra, it's on the F in white. He usually rolls around here around 4 to 6 p.m. without fail. You know, I don't deal with certainties, but this is a certainty, guys. So check out the store that's right across the street from Bingo Motorsports. Only, wow. What a name, guys. Mr. K himself. Oh, we're gonna get screwed.
nah, you'll be fine.
Oh. Wow. That's right, guys. This man dailies a Koenigsegg, Zonda F, Rolls Royce, and what was it? The Huayra. Am I missing anything else? No, that's it. Yeah. Dailies those cars every day of the week without fail between 4 and 6 p.m. You guys asked for it, you shall receive. We're currently having a dinner vlog. Not really sure what we're gonna eat, but check out this massive freaking menu. I think the size of my hand, it's huge. But yup, once we order, I'll show you guys the food, and yup, we got a special surprise at Tatsumi and Daikaku later tonight, so stay tuned for that. Check out these hot towelettes that you get to cleanse yourself before the grand meal. So we got miso soup, unlimited rice, tonkatsu. Looks like Chris Morrison here got some curry chicken. Ken Saito got the same thing, and Max Joestar got a steak. We have done nothing car related today. We're currently at an arcade. It's around 10 p.m. and we're at a motherfucking batting cage in the central Shinjuku. These two white boys here wanted to do a little batting practice, so there goes Chris Morrison. Oh my God! There you go. Oh, there's a strike. Strike. Here. Oh, that's a foul. There you go, guys. In the middle of Shinjuku. We need a home run, baby. Come on. Knock out of the park. Oh! There you go. By the way, I really do wonder, is that a fucking apartment complex right next to the batting cages? Or are they those love hotels? I don't know. Huh. Yep, this is what we do, guys. No car content today. Sorry. Whoa. I can't even speak proper. Why is it so funny? What the fuck? Oh shit! We're about to die, Kaka, guys. Time out, guys. We got fucked. The police have shut it down. Shut Daikaku. Oh, we can't even enter.
Yeah.
Whoa. Uh-oh. We can't even go down there? Oh, well.
Tatsumi.
I guess we're gonna Tatsumi, guys. Sorry. Fuck. Dude, Daikaku is completely shut down. I'm gonna blame Officer Pena. He's probably giving these guys no front plate tickets. What the fuck? Now we're gonna hop on the freeway here back to Tatsumi, I guess. I do apologize. Man, this sucks. Yep. Well, Tatsumi is closed as well, guys. Sorry. Guys, check this out. We found a fucking fake Fugazi 959 at midnight. Unbelievable. What the fuck? Hold on, we got. Wait, what do you call those things?
Waggy, arm flailing, inflatable too.
But there are no arms. Look, it's just.
They're probably below.
No, look, there it goes. It's, as you can tell, it's very windy, but yeah, it's for the construction workers to like signal to drivers. Hey, don't be a jabroni. Slow down, yeah? It's not flailing as much as it was earlier. I'm really disappointed. I'm just gonna keep filming until it does. Come on. Do it. Oh wow, now it's not even fuck you. I'm not gonna film this shit. Guys, currently in the hotel editing the next video. And we've been watching this Japanese TV show for the past 15 minutes solely about this orange Tabby here, just living his life near the sea, just chilling.